I'm gonna show you the smoke and mirrors of Turnout. So stay with me. Hi everyone, this is Cheryl Ale. I'm the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm teaching dancers and teachers to be the very best that you can be. This is ballet for everybody. This is what we do. Let's work on our rotation. This is how you don't cripple yourself. If you rotate from your hip socket, then you're not rotating from your knee and your ankles, and crickety crack, don't come back. It doesn't. Once you over rotate these guys, ouch, ouch. Okay, this is how to improve your turnout. Yay. So we are standing on these apparatus here, which actually measure how much rotation you have in your hip socket. That's the only place there's rotation. If I said to you, turn out your ankle, you would say, oh, okay. Okay, if I said turn out your knee, I can't, there's no rotation in your knee. Your knee is like this, you can't rotate your knee. If I say rotate from your hip socket, this is what that looks like. That's just her hip socket rotating. If she goes back parallel with that, and she rotates again, and she does this a couple times, that loosens the hip socket. It is not affecting the knee or the ankle. That's the part that's most important to preserve. So when you know, let's see, you have about 140-degree turnout. Most people do not have 180-degree turnout. That would be pretty crazy. If there's probably 1 out of 20 people in a class, if that, maybe 1 out of 50 that has 180-degree turnout. Now, how can you improve your 140 to go to 150? And that can happen as long as you're rotating in your hip socket. The way that it improves is a slow improvement, and that comes with tendus, because you have to, the only way you can improve turnout is to also turn in, because the turning in opens up the interior part of your hip socket. So the more you turn in, the more you can turn out. If you never manipulate pronation, then your rotation is not balanced. So you don't have a balanced radius within your hip socket to move. That's my tip for today. Stay tuned, we'll do a lot more of this. Are you feeling better? More rotated, knees and ankles feeling better, getting a break instead of breaking them? I mean, right? This is how we apply these secrets, okay? I'm here to help you and help each other in the comments. Please comment right here. If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribe. This channel is all about helping you dance better, not harder, and not hurting yourself. Both for teachers and students, this is for you. Again, please subscribe. I would love for you to join our community. We have so much fun and everybody gets better together.